What's up mga kabit? Kamusta kayo guys? Meron ako sa inyong isi-share at i-review. Sabayan nyo ako guys. Ito naman ay free to play. Meaning, kahit hindi ka maglabas ng investment or pera dito, pwede mo siyang laruin at pwede kang kumita. Of course, bago pa ito lumabas, titingnan muna natin. Sige, sabay nyo akong silipin itong Hero 5. What's up? What's up? What's up mga kabit? So ayan guys, bago ang lahat, panoodin muna natin tong pin-repair nila na YouTube, no? Para makita natin ano bang meron dito sa Hero 5 video. Let's play it! Mobile RPG game. Ditong August. Okay, noong August pala to. So ito yung video nila. Mint your hero NFTs. Interesting to Fight for your greatness. Uy! Maganda to Ayos And earn huge rewards. Okay. Free to play, play to earn. Yan ang importante dyan. Nice. So guys, ito ulitin ko, free to play, play to earn na game. So, ang tanong, kailan ba? Kailan ba to guys? Kailan ba to pwedeng laruin? By the way guys, ang beta nila, no, ito malapit na this October 30, okay? Makakalaro na tayo. Beta testing lang ito. And then guys, ang official release nila will be on November 20. And malilis na sila sa Pancake Swap netong October 25. Again, let's check kung ano ba tong game na to guys. Para sa mga gustong ma-check lahat ng information about dito sa Hero 5, ilalagay ko guys yung link sa description, itong kanilang link tree para makita nyo lahat all about yung channel nila, yung game, yung egg, yung token, halos lahat nandito na sa link tree na ito. But again guys, let's check the gameplay, no? So nakalagay dito, Hero 5 is a mobile RPG game where you can build up a powerful army to fight in fierce battles. After winning each battle, you can get a reward of collectible resources. The resources are used to craft valuable assets that could be exchanged for real money. As you can see guys, alam naman natin na yung mga NFT na yan ay pwede nating i-trade or pwede nating i-buy and sell, and of course, we can earn money. And guys, as you can see here, no, nakalagay dito, there are 3 clans challenging you to join the Heaven Force, the Midgard Force, and then the Hell Army. Can you become the leader of your clan? Okay, so pwede rin pala to grupo-grupo rin, no? Kasi nga may clan. Can you lead your clan to victory and ascend the throne of one above all? The fate is all. So maganda dito, no? Nagkakaroon ka pala ng mga groupings or clans, and then you can fight din ng army to army. So let us check about the core gameplay naman guys, no? Itong overview, nakalagay, players join the battle with an army of 3 heroes and 4 soldiers. Each hero has a unique set of skills that you can switch between the heroes to use them. So parang may switching. And I don't know guys kung nakakalaro na kayo ng ganitong RPG game na syempre parang Axie Infinity siya, kaya lang mas okay lang ang graphics nito, mas maganda lang din siguro yung gameplay niya, and hindi siya ganun ka boring laruin. And ang nakikita kong advantage nito guys, nakalagay dito, casual players can enjoy the game with auto battle mode. Skilled players can experience the fight by manually controlling the heroes and soldiers. Of course, pwedeng autoplay yan kung wala ka masyadong time, pero ikaw kung talagang dedicated ka sa laro at syempre ikaw mismo bumabato ng skill, syempre mas okay din yon. So sa madaling salita, kung skilled player ka or hindi ka skilled player, pwede mong laruin ito. And guys, nakalagay dito na besides fighting in the campaign mode, you can enjoy further experiences in modes like Arena, PvP, World Boss, and Tower. So marami ka rin palang pwedeng gawin dito, hindi lang pala yung battle to battle na sa monsters. Meron ding, of course, PvP, lalo na sa mga naglalaro ng Axie Infinity dito, at least familiar na kayo sa mga ganitong klaseng laro. But yet again guys, silipin naman natin yung kanilang marketplace. So pupunta tayo ngayon guys sa marketplace, i-connect ko ng aking MetaMask. Ayan. So, next. Sige, connect natin. So, connected na yung aking MetaMask guys. Pero as you can see here, meron sila ditong Genesis pack. Siguro ito yung mga rare monsters at malalakas na monster. An egg will give birth to a Genesis hero whose reproduction time is not affected by their level. So silipin natin anong mga itsura ng mga characters dito sa marketplace. Ayan. So ito, pwede kang mag-buy and sell dito sa marketplace, and of course, makakapili ka rin ng mga skilled monsters at magagandang class. So sa nakikita ko dito guys sa mga cards do, meron silang class, meron male and female, may skills, meron ding gen, meron breeding period na nakalagay dito guys 15 days yung breeding period nila. And kung mapapansin natin, itong skill nila ay may iba-ibang color. Like ito dito sa left side, merong class, may water, may plant, fire, thunder, dark, and light. So yung generation nila, ito nga, Genesis, Descendant. And yung stars din. And then breeding period. And you can buy them guys by BUSD. So, isi-switch ko ngayon sa highest price para makita natin guys yung mga monster na medyo malalakas talaga, no? Nakalagay dito sila si Monkey King, ayan si Mastodonte. Ayan, medyo i-browse natin yung mga itsura ng mga characters nila, no? Ayos okay din yung graphics nila, no? Sa bagay, malalaro naman natin yung beta sa October 20. And by the way guys, if you want to check yung chart ng token nila, pwede rin naman dito sa Dex Tools. Ayan guys, pwede nyo i-check yung chart nila sa Dex Tools, sa dextools.io. Siguro lagay ko na lang sa description para masilip din nyo ito. Actually, lahat naman ng information ilalagay ko dyan sa ilalim para kayo mismo guys, mas ma-review nyo pa ng deeper itong about sa HeroFi. Let us visit naman guys yung kanilang tokenomics. Ayan. As you can see guys, ang kanilang token is ROFI or ROFI. So ayan, token sale $100,000 Hero Egg. Tokens will hatch one character NFT that has a gender, either male or female yan. And a star rating from 3 to 6. Of course, the higher syempre mas okay o mas malakas. Since Hero Egg is BEP20 token, it can deliberately traded like any other BEP token. So any token na meron ka guys sa BEP, pwede mo siyang i-trade. Token sale is held for Hero Egg tokens. There is no vesting schedule. So ito guys, no, meron silang private round and then public round. So private round naman, allocation is 400 million Hero Eggs, and then 1 Hero Egg is, ang presyo is 0.004. Hard cap is $1.6 million, and then 60% is released to TGE, and then the remaining 40% will be released at the rate of 10% per month for 4 months, cliff for a month. And then sa public round naman guys, merong $100 million. And then sa public round naman guys, meron naman $100 million na Hero Egg. 1 hero is 0.005 naman ang presyo. And then hard cap, $500,000. No vesting schedule din. And then yung date is September 6, 2021. And then guys, dito naman sa HeroFi whitelist, banggitin na rin natin, no? Ito yung nangyari. Pero as of now guys, kung i-check nyo yung whitelist nila, whitelist registration for HeroFi game beta is closed. So yung resulta niyan guys, i-announce pa soon. I-double check lang natin guys yung overall information ulit. So this game has free to play. Pwedeng laruin kahit wala ka nilalabas. Pero play to earn siya. Mechanism so that users can invest and play for free. We will continue to update more information about HeroFi in this article. So guys, itong article na to guys, i-update nila update, pero ilalagay ko yan sa description. Kasi so hindi pa siya mapiplay ngayon, pero malapit na which is October 20. Ngayon is October 11, nire-record ko tong video na to. And yun na nga, meron silang dalawang token, si Rofi and si Hero Egg, as mentioned earlier. The primary token used for rewards and maintain the game's economy. And then Hero Egg naman, ito yung use eggs to hatch Genesis heroes. So, paano nga pag pumasok ka dito sa HeroFi? Ano ba yung unang makukuha mo? Ano ba yung mangyayari? Kunyari, gusto mo siyang laruin. So, if you want to join as a gamer, guys, basahin natin ha. When first entering the game and receiving one hero, grind as much as possible and do missions to earn ROFI or ROFI. You can use ROFI to upgrade your hero, star level, and more rewards. So, habang ginagrind mo yan, nakakakuha ka ng ROFI, anong gagawin mo doon? Pwede mong i-upgrade mismo yung iyong hero at para lumakas pa siya lalo. And syempre, pag mas malakas, you will get more reward. Basahin din natin tong note nila, no? The number of ROFI tokens will be distributed based on the star level of your heroes. And you have to accomplish daily missions to earn the rewards, otherwise those tokens will be burnt. So guys, just let me remind you ha, kapag tayo ay pumapasok sa mga play to earn games, syempre be careful din. Do your own research and don't invest yung money you can't afford to lose para safe ka din. So kung gusto mo laruin to, pwede. Kung ayaw mo, wala din problema. Again, if you wanna know more guys, no, lahat ng information na nabanggit ko at pinuntahan nating website ay ilalagay ko dyan sa description para ikaw mismo mabasa mo siya ng mas maayos. Silipin din natin guys ng mabilisan lang itong roadmap nila, no? Q3, Q4, Q1, 2020. Para sa mga hindi nakakaintindi guys, ang roadmap, ito yung direction nila kung nasa na ba yung nangyayari sa game, kung anong phase na sila, and ano yung updates na nangyayari habang tumatagal. Doon sa mga maglalaro, dito sila available guys. As of now, kung gusto niyo siyang laruin, pwede niyo siyang i-download sa Android. Meron ding iOS coming soon, sa PC coming soon, and sa Mac coming soon na rin sila. And as of now guys, ang ginagawa natin is nire-review natin siya bago pa lumabas yung laro para ikaw updated ka at nauuna ka. Ayan, so ito yung pinanood natin kanina guys, and then yung gameplay, may campaign, PvP, meron ding tower. So sige, drag pa natin. NFT items, ito mga coming soon pa to. Of course, paglabas ng marketplace, pwede nyo na silang bilhin using yung BUSD. So, to summarize itong Rofi token, ayan na nga, may play to earn, evolve heroes, trade NFT games, and buy gold in game. And ang maganda dyan guys, backed up sila ng Brave Star and Launch Zone. So, kitang-kita naman natin, ang dami nilang empleyado, nasa 70 plus. Players around the world is 300 million. And fourth top DEX based on DApp Radar. First incubator on Binance Smart Chain. Gusto nyo ring i-search guys yung team members nila. Ayan, sila Hai Hong, Tuan Pham, and si Yu Bui. O, syempre, andito rin si Mr. Logan at saka si Thank Dao. Medyo mahirap banggitin yung pangalan nila. Guys, ito, na-browse na natin to. If you wanna know more about their partners, ang dami nilang partners guys. Ayan, tingnan nyo mabuti yung mga logo nila. Maganda rin kasi na marami silang partners and investors. Of course, the more investors, the more meron silang budget syempre to enhance and develop the game. And nakita na rin sila dito sa mga nakikita nyong logo. I'm sure familiar kayo sa kanila. Ngayon guys, to add more information about them, pwede kayo mag-join sa community nila. Andyan ang Facebook, Twitter, Telegram, and kung ano-ano pang channels nila like YouTube. Para syempre mas madami pa yung information mo. So hindi ko na masyadong papatagalin tong video natin guys kasi I know this is the first review lang naman ng HeroFi na game. Pero kung nagustuhan mo to guys, please hit the like button, and thank you so much sa mga bagong subscribers natin at saka sa matagal ng mga sumusuport sa akin. Guys, sa mga bago, please hit the notification bell para ikaw updated lagi pa may mga bago tayong games bago pa lumabas yan, or about crypto, about trading, and all about cryptocurrency. Maraming salamat guys kung nag-enjoy ka. Thank you so much guys, and again, God bless you.